Want to build a professional website without coding? In this video, I'll show you how to create a website on Webflow step by step in 2026. From signing up to publishing your site online, I'll walk you through the entire process. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow and press enter. Then click on the first result, which is the official Webflow website at webflow.com. This will take you to the platform where we'll start building our website. Now you'll be taken to the official Webflow website. Here you can see the homepage with the message, "Smarter Sites Start Here." To begin creating your website, go to the top right corner and click the Start for Free button. This will allow you to create a free Webflow account and start building your site. Next, you'll arrive at the Webflow sign-up page. Here you can create your free account to start building your website. You have two options. You can quickly sign up with your Google account or enter your work email address and click Continue. Once you sign up, Webflow will take you to the dashboard where you can begin creating your website. After creating your account, Webflow will ask you to personalize your experience. Here simply enter your first name and last name in the fields provided. This helps Webflow set up your workspace. Once you've entered your name, click the Continue button to move to the next step. Next, Webflow will ask who you want to build websites for. You'll see three options: clients, my company, or myself. If you're creating a website for your own project or personal use, simply select myself. After selecting the option that fits you best, click Continue to move to the next step. Are you currently a student? Simply choose yes if you're studying or no if you're not. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to move to the next step. You can also go back anytime using the back button. Next, Webflow asks what type of website you want to build. You can choose from several options depending on your goal. Select Business Site if you're creating a website for a company or service. Choose E-commerce store if you plan to sell products online. Pick Portfolio to showcase your work or projects. If you want to publish articles or content regularly, select Blog. Or choose Other if your website doesn't fit these categories. After selecting the option that matches your needs, click Continue to move forward. Now Webflow asks if you're interested in hiring someone to help build your website. If you prefer to work with a professional designer or developer, select Yes. If you plan to build the website yourself, choose No. And if you're still unsure, you can select Don't Know Yet. You can also subscribe to Webflow emails to stay updated with tips and news. Once you've made your choice, click Finish to complete the setup. Now it's time to choose how you want to start building your website in Webflow. You have three options. First, AI Site Builder. This option quickly generates a custom website using artificial intelligence. Second, Template. Here you can start with a professionally designed layout and customize it to fit your needs. Third, Blank Site. This option lets you build your website completely from scratch. Choose the option that works best for you and start creating your website in Webflow. Now we're in the AI Site Builder section of Webflow. Here, you need to describe what your website is about. Simply type a short description of your site, including your target audience and the goal of the website. For example, you might write something like a fintech company website, a design agency portfolio, or an AI startup landing page. The more details you provide, the better Webflow's AI can generate a website tailored to your needs. Once you've finished describing your site, click the arrow button to continue.